Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If umushayela ekhaya, let me introduce myself. Sanibonani ibhinqa elimodelayo ngiyazi-ke. Thola ukumangala ukuthi ibhinqa liyamodela lalela. Sawubona and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe or continue to watch my videos. So, let's roll back. Yep, it was a solid date. So I did a home photo shoot. It was my sister and my mom. So my birthday was during the week, so it was Thursday. None of my friends could be able to take me out or go and spend the day with me. But Dick, I'm all cooked up. Lalela, today I'm going out with Ubongiwe, no school, so I'm at Swinit. Lalela, so today they are taking me out. See a good food by K. La Lenisha South. See you enjoy. Hope you enjoy.